All right, good afternoon. This is what we are looking at for today. Today is April 12th, 2021. It was a range day, as you can see, with prices just bouncing back and forth. We had a little bit of a breakout over the overnight highs, but other than that, looks like maybe this could be a midline, and prices were bouncing off that a little bit. I think this is yesterday's close, the pink line. Prices could be responding to that. Not a lot of great trades today that I was seeing, but definitely some good aggressive ones. And I'll try and upload, hopefully, this video saved. I took a video, I took this aggressive trade. I think that's where the video is. Yeah. Um, but other than that, I didn't see too much that I liked. So let's take a look. This video should be pretty quick. Um, so in the overnight, for the most part, prices were just trending up towards the overnight highs. And about close to the opening, we had this like fake out sell off, and then prices bounced. People probably just got trapped short. We had this move up. I'll delete that measure move because I don't think we got it. And you make this high at the overnight highs. Well, first of all, we get the break of this channel. Okay, we got a leg up, a second leg up, and then one last attempt to go higher. This is a failed second entry long, but the signal bar was weak, so I didn't take it. Also, these dojis, um, but if you got a better signal bar there, tried to go higher once, twice, three times, and clearly a lot of trap longs right there. Then we shoot down, we get a break of this move down here. I'll draw this right there. We get a break of this channel, and we get a higher low. I went long above that. Look how far away it is from the EMA as well. It is aggressive, just because it might be like some congestion, and we might expect another leg down. But it's a higher low. I like that. And then once you get this failed second entry short, that's clearly a trap as well. I like that, with room to scalp out too. Um, so then prices enter this range. You see, we got like a double test up here, triple test, and prices just entered this range. I extended that, and prices kind of responded to this range for the rest of the day. You get a breakout, it fails. That leads to a counter trend breakout, which nice leg down, and you do get a oh, never mind. I didn't see that. That's not a failed second entry long. So I guess I'll have to mark this as aggressive because this is actually a first second entry here. Um, let's see. I don't think, you know, overshoots do tend to lead to a break. So when we get this overshoot of this range, you could look at this pullback and think to go short here, but I wouldn't mark that. Here we have people getting trapped long above that bar, so you might consider that. And it is a failed second entry long. I'm going to keep it as aggressive because it's far from the EMA, but that is an entry to think about. You might think about this one too, just because it's off the trend line. Um, but anyway, we come down, we hit the overnight lows, get a nice bounce, and then you get a higher low right here. I took that on the simulator, just because I figured we'd probably go back into congestion up here. Um, so prices do get into congestion, but they fail once. Oh, you get a nice second entry here off the EMA. Hmm. Yeah. I think you might look at going long here, but I don't like that it didn't go to the top of the congestive area. Then when you get this double test down here, and it's a trap, and it looks more like a second entry long than this one because this looks like it's still in like a channel down. I like that move. I like that move. Maybe if you were thinking on your toes, you would take it on the engulfing bar. Hold on. So yeah, you might think to take this on the engulfing bar, um, and then we get some resistance up by the top of that range again, and you get a double test. I didn't want to go short here because I didn't know if it was congested. I didn't see this blue channel up, first of all. Maybe if I did see that, I would take this. Um, okay, so yeah, I saw this level of resistance, but I just wasn't feeling confident, especially this is very congested. I wasn't feeling confident that I was going to get a scalp here. But if you were, I wouldn't blame anybody for going short right there. But anyway, we got to pull back to the bottom of the channel. So this isn't confirmation of the channel yet. Here we get some confirmation. And first entry, second entry. That's actually a third entry long. But I'm gonna go ahead and mark this. I'm gonna put aggressive here because we're going into that level of resistance right here. But I really like that move. Um, so if you went long here, I don't blame you. If you had the right idea, which is that this is the channel we're working in. Um, but anyway, we get a first entry, second entry short. Um, I'm still playing this range, and that's why I like this. But I think I should change this to aggressive because once we get this confirmation of the trend channel, we should be thinking prices are going to go to the top of the channel. So I'm going to mark that as aggressive, but then when we get this, it looks like a failed second entry short, but it's actually, I think it's a third entry, first, second, third. But yeah, it looks like a first, second, failed second entry short off the trend channel. It also kind of looks like a second entry long. So I do like that trade, and it ends up working out real well. It also kind of looks like a breakout pullback long. So then, yeah, that leads to this breakout of the overnight highs. It also leads to the overshoot of this blue channel that we've been playing. Overshoots usually lead to a break. Unfortunately, we don't get a lower high, or else that probably would have been the trade of the day. Well, this was a really good trade too, but that would have been just as good. You do get this. This is a failed second entry long right here. Uh, this is a failed second entry long. We finally get a break of this channel. And we get one leg up and a second leg up. This is just, this to me, this looked right here. This looks, and I played it like a failed second entry long. Like first entry, second entry off the EMA. Um, but it's just a first entry. And it's also a first entry short. But I really do like this move. I like this one in hindsight. I didn't take it. I was planning on taking it if I got the setup, but I didn't like that signal bar. It's too far from the EMA as well. I wish I did take it. Obviously, you got a good move out of it, but um, yeah, this just looks like a failed second entry long. It isn't, but when it came really close to the EMA, I really liked it, um, especially after this big leg down, and we got one leg, two legs up to like attempt at a new high, if you will, but those were weak attempts. And that's all I saw for the day. This was just a weak uptrend. Um, but yeah, I'll try and post this trade. Hopefully, I don't. I mean, I think it's okay to post it. It's an aggressive trade, but I do think I was thinking right on it. So yeah, that's what I saw. Hopefully, I'll be able to get back tomorrow and make a video. But I'm in the middle of moving, so I'm very busy. But if not, I'll try and make a live trade video. So thanks. See you soon.